Essential tools for herb hydroponics. Imagine growing herbs like basil and mint right at home, without soil. Welcome to Herb Hydroponics, a sleek, modern gardening method. Today, we'll explore the key tools and systems that make hydroponics efficient, from nutrient delivery to different setups like deep water culture and nutrient film technique. Join us to enhance your garden's growth and sustainability. Let's get started and transform your gardening experience. Understanding hydroponic systems. Soilless cultivation using nutrient-rich water solutions. Deep water culture, DWC, simple, ideal for leafy greens and herbs, roots in nutrient solution with oxygen via air pump. Nutrient film technique, NFT, constant nutrient flow over roots, suitable for smaller plants. Wick system, simple and passive, best for smaller plants due to nutrient delivery limitations. Benefits of herb hydroponics. Year-round availability of fresh herbs. Space efficient, suitable for small living areas. Significant water conservation compared to soil gardening. Herbs grow faster and healthier due to optimized nutrient delivery. Choosing the right herbs for hydroponics. Select herbs that adapt well to hydroponic systems like basil, mint, and oregano. Consider growth habits: vigorous, basil, mint, versus compact, thyme, rosemary. Hydroponic herbs often have enhanced flavors, ideal for culinary use. Choose based on usage: culinary, medicinal, or aromatic. Essential tools. Hydroponic growing containers, net pots, grow trays, aeroponic chambers. Factors for selection: size/space, material durability, easy access, proper drainage. Growing mediums: cocoa coir, perlite, vermiculite, rock wool, hydroton. Each medium has unique properties like water retention, aeration, and pH neutrality. pH and nutrient management. Key to health and productivity in hydroponics. Optimal pH range, 5.5 to 6.5. Balanced nutrients essential for robust plant growth. Techniques: use pH-adjusting chemicals, monitor EC and TDS for nutrient strength. Hydroponic system lighting. This is crucial for plant photosynthesis and growth. Types: fluorescent, seedlings, LED, all stages, HID, flowering. Consider light intensity, photoperiod, and proper placement for even growth. Automation aids like timers and sensors improve efficiency. Hydroponic system water management. Maintain correct water levels and quality. Regular pH testing and adjustments. Balanced nutrient solution vital for plant health. Regular reservoir maintenance to prevent algae and pathogens. Temperature and humidity control. Ideal range for most hydroponic herbs, 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Moderate humidity, 60 to 70%, optimal for herb growth. Use thermometers and hygrometers for monitoring. Ensure proper ventilation to control air quality and prevent disease. Maintenance and care tips. Routine inspections, important for wear and tear, nutrient levels, and plant health. Nutrient management, understand plant needs, use appropriate fertilizers. Pest and disease prevention, regular inspections, clean garden beds, natural pest controls. Conclusion. In wrapping up, hydroponic herb cultivation stands out as a highly efficient and sustainable approach. Remember, the success of your garden hinges on the right tools and diligent maintenance. For gardening enthusiasts, hydroponics offers a fascinating way to produce fresh herbs throughout the year, blending technology with traditional gardening joys. Thank you for watching. We hope you have enjoyed the journey through the essential tools for hydroponic herbs. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Your support helps us bring more great content. Thank you for being part of our community.